Tease Media. We keep you informed.
You are most welcome all to our YouTube channel, Tease Media. Today we are going to look at how we can make cassava flour. Cassava flour manually from our homes, okay? Most of us, we do have cassava in our homes, most especially in African villages, and this is the type of food they always enjoy every now and then. But you can find that people can get tired of eating it. Others leave it in their garden to get spoiled. Others give it to other animals. They eat it, enjoy it fully. But there are others who use it in a different way, that when they get tired, they can make flour out of it. What you do, you chop cassava into small pieces, you dry. In the process of drying, it can take 3 to 4 days. Then from there, you get your mortar, you get the smasher, and prepare the cassava flour very well at your home, at your pace. Like the video you are watching, we got it from a certain village, and the lady who was doing this work, she told us and explained to us everything, but she never wanted to be shown in the camera. That's why you are just seeing the mortar and how it's gonna be done. You pound the cassava inside the mortar, then you pound it, and it can really come out very, very well. This method helps not to waste resources, and it even helps not to get tired of eating cassava, because when you make cassava flour, you can even mix it with maize flour, and you make good, nutritious, delicious porridge. Yeah, and this madam was trying to, she told us that she was, even the kids were really very tired of eating cassava. Then what she did is to prepare it like that, such that people in her family can enjoy it, and most especially the kids. Because when you make porridge out of cassava flour and you mix it with maize flour, it makes a good delicious to kids and even to adults. Yeah, it's a do it yourself. We are showing you how to do it, and how not to, to spoil or to waste resources, when you can even integrate it using your common knowledge, common sense, African way. Hey, I can tell you, this is the dry cassava. That is where she picks it from and puts it in a pounder mortar. Then from there, she really smashes it very well. She gives it time. When she feels like she's tired, you rest as she's doing. Then she continues with the same work. She must be having with a sieve, and a sieve helps her to separate the smashed cassava and those cassava which are not yet smashed into the finest. Now she's resting. You can try it at your home. You can buy your cassava, dry it, you remove the cover, you peel it very well, you dry it 3 to 4 days, and it cannot get spoiled. You can even keep it for 100 years, as long as it's well dried. When you feel like eating cassava flour, you pick, you pound, you prepare it like that, and the process continues. Tease Media, a workshop of knowledge, yes, and creativity. And we always want to keep you informed. Please do subscribe, share, like, comment in the comment section below. How do you do cassava in your place, in your area of study, in your area of staying, in your area of your dreams? How do you deal with cassava in case you are tired of eating it and you don't want to get spoiled from the garden or from the farm? Tell us in your comment. Tell us your comment in the comment section below. This is how we do it in our village, most especially African villages. Yes, Tease Media channel, the workshop of knowledge It is really a workshop of knowledge and creativity. We are trying to bring knowledge from different places, different avenues of our life, holistically onto one channel, and we do celebrate. Now is sieving it. This is a sieve. There is a saucepan down. It's trying to get the finest cassava flour. You can we can all create our own cassava milling machine at home manually, and it's naturally. It's not bought too much. The pond and even the smasher, the saucepan, the sieve, you know, something like few dollars, and you have it at your place. Now, you can see how she has gathered that. Is that they're about now like 4 kilograms there in the saucepan. The saucepan is big. When she feels that now it is ready, yes, the remaining ones, she do again a recycling, She continue doing so. The same thing until she will feel like now she's tired and she stops. But it's always better not to waste resources. It's always better not to spoil what we have. It's always better to utilize what we have very well such that we can survive that tomorrow and even the other day. But when you have the resources at home and we start spoiling them, we start using them stagnant in an adamant way, even God can punish us. You see what has made in the sieve? Still is going to put it in the mortar and continues doing the same until she feel like, now I'm tired. Yeah, hope you have learned this episode. Do it yourself. Make a cassava milling machine at your place manually, or if not that, you can buy that mortar and the smasher stick. Then you start doing this. You keep your family moving, you keep your family enjoying, you keep your family having a good diet, instead of buying every time. And here you can even save money because the resources you have them, you utilize them sparingly, and you enjoy having and even creating and even preserving the nature. This is village life, and most of people say village life is better than town life. How do you take and how do you say about that? What is your take? We are still giving you how it's done, and I think you are understanding it very well. The camera was very clear. You can see it. It was the daylight thing. You can see it very well. Yeah. You can see it. Please subscribe. If you have learned and you've gained something, please don't forget to like, to share, and to comment. If you've not subscribed, please do so. Support the channel such that it can grow, and we continue giving you such surprising news, such surprising vlogs which are entertaining and educative. Okay? Entertaining and educative. More so, they add value to our lives. Yeah, wow. Look at the cassava flour. People are going to enjoy. Alright. Me, I'm out of here. Yes. But don't forget, if you've gained something, please subscribe. I'm out of here.